Will. What is will? I held it once. An everlasting echo, an endless encore. Father God, my light, thank you for this life. I am still here. Are you there? I am a chicken without a roost, wandering fields where roots feel loose. In this foreign land, the sky is grey, and hope, like autumn leaves, drifts away. Yet in the silence, a voice breaks through, soft as the dawn, steady and true. Hold on, weary traveler, your story's not done. The night is long, but here comes the sun. The edge of silence. I came with dreams stitched in my soul, a foreign land where hope would console. Papers promised, a life to renew, but the months dragged on, and nothing came through. Demands, but gives no grace. I'm lost, unseen in this crowded space. Christmas in limbo. He dreams too, though not of toys, but of laughter, hugs, and his family's noise. He bows his head, a silent plea, let this wait end, let me be free. To hold them close, to wipe their tears, to reclaim the time lost to these years.